Welcome. In this video, we will explore how to enable the history icon on Google Chrome for PC with the latest update. This feature allows for quick access to your browsing history, making it easier to retrace your steps. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once the browser is up and running, you're ready for the next step. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it contains many useful features. Now, scroll down to Settings and click on it. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize your browsing experience. Here you'll find a range of options that allow you to adjust Chrome according to your preferences. Once you're in the settings, navigate to Appearance. This section is crucial because it contains options related to how Chrome looks and functions. Click on Appearance to proceed. In the Appearance settings, look for Customize your toolbar. This option allows you to manage which icons are displayed in your toolbar, including the history icon. Finally, enable the history option. You will see a toggle switch next to history. Simply click on it to turn it on. Once enabled, the history icon will appear in your toolbar, providing you with quick access to your browsing history whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the history icon on Google Chrome. Now, whenever you want to check your browsing history, just click on that icon in your toolbar for instant access. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!